Good morning. We are at Aero India, Bangalore, India at 2025, and I'm here with Mr. Nils Heuer from Sales Director, Deutsche Aircraft. Welcome to India, Nils. And please tell me so far, what have you experienced in our country? If the country is talking about regional connectivity, including the Prime Minister of the country, and there has been in the yearly budget, government has announced lots of activities for the regional connectivity. So you are here at the right time. So let's take me your roadmap. What's your vision for this country now?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much also for having me and for the opportunity that we can talk today. We as Deutsche Aircraft, we are very glad to be here this year at Aero India 2025. First time for us here. It marks the start of our sales initiatives here in India. And so far I can say we had a great 3 days so far here at Aero India with lots of fruitful conversations, a lot of great insights, and I think there are many exciting opportunities ahead here for us in this market. If I just look at the Indian market and how it has developed over the last years, in 2024 we had 220 million air passengers alone, and there was a growth of more than 6% in passenger numbers. And IATA expects that this more than doubles in the next couple of years, and I think this just makes it clear how much potential there is in this market for further growth. And we as Deutsche Aircraft, we believe that a significant part of that growth will happen in the regional segment, supported by the UDAN scheme, which is in place here in India, and is a great measure to increase regional connectivity in this country.
Great. Can you highlight and give me your partnership with Dynamatic Technologies here? And what is their role and how do you work? What's your collaboration partnership as such?
So Dynamatic, we are very glad that we have Dynamatics as one of our partners for the D328 Eco program. Dynamatics will manufacture a very key part of the D328 Eco. It will manufacture the rear fuselage section of this aircraft. So every D328 Eco that will fly globally will carry a piece of India in it, a very important part, the rear fuselage section. But we have also other Indian suppliers. We have Sasmos, for example, that will provide the electrical wiring for the aircraft. And we have Scient, with whom we cooperate in the fields of engineering support, and also they are supporting us with a platform to distribute our technical documentation for the aircraft.
Okay. I understand you had the opportunity to meet the Honorable Minister yesterday.
Yes.
And so I think you started on a very right note and with the right direction. And I hope you had the opportunity to explain to us the Deutsche Aircraft and its roadmap and the plans.
Yes, it was a real honor yesterday to meet the minister. I had the chance to present together with our partner Dynamatics our program, the D328 Eco program, to the minister, and also highlight to him what benefits this aircraft would bring to the Indian market, to the Indian regional market, where we see potential use cases for this aircraft in India. And we had a very good exchange on that.
With 120 airports to be a reality by 2027, and the regional connectivity is absolutely going to grow in this country.
Absolutely.
So how do you look at your partnership with certain airports and your landing rights, and you happen to talk to the airport authority and the DGCA?
We're in touch with all relevant players now in the Indian market. So as you say, this includes airports. This includes also the local civil aviation authority, of course, and of course. Most of all, the airlines, at the end, the operators of this aircraft, because they will at the end be the operator.
Have you been talking to certain operators already?
So we are in touch with some operators here in India already. I cannot disclose names, but so far the responses we are getting here from the Indian market are very promising, very positive, and we're looking forward to continue our exchanges here with the Indian aviation community.
I'm sure Deutsche Aircraft must have already done your research with competition already existing in this market. You as a new player coming in for the regional connectivity at a very right time though. But what do you see in your forecast when the aircraft is going to be launched and looking forward, what will be your order book like?
So the entry into service for this aircraft is at the end of 2027. And right now we have 34 confirmed orders so far. Mainly from our home market, the European market. This is the market where we will first certify the aircraft, and then step by step add further certification for this aircraft. And this of course also includes India. India is for us one of the key growth markets for this aircraft, and we see here especially potential in this market in areas like, for example, the Northeast. If we look at the Northeast, where there are high performance requirements regarding aircraft due to the mountainous terrain, where the D328 Eco can make the most of its strengths. It's an aircraft with great performance, great climb performance, and high ceiling, which is of utmost importance in that part of your country.
You see only turboprop as your competition, or you see every regional aircraft?
We see, of course, we see the D328 Eco also as a suitable replacement for jet aircraft. So the advantage of the turboprop technology we are using in the D328 Eco is its inherent advantage on the fuel burn. So a D328 Eco burns minimum 50% less fuel than a jet aircraft in the same size category. And that of course makes it for every airline attractive to fly a D328 Eco, because less fuel burn directly translates into less operating costs, and at the end also lower fares.
You said on high altitudes you are a competition to a lot of other carriers, other manufacturers. So what is the height this aircraft can take it?
The D328 Eco can fly at 30,000 feet.
30,000.
Yeah, which is in its size category for turboprop the best what you can find on the market. Yes.
Okay. So looking at the future, you see a very bright future in India.
Absolutely.
Welcome to India once again. And
thank you very much.
Seeing more of D328 Eco in this country, and wish you all the best.
Thank you very much. I can just say as a summary, we are very happy that we are here, and we felt very welcome here, and we're happy to have such strong partners here in the Indian aviation community like Dynamatic, Sasmos and Cyient.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.